Introducing the Carpal Tunnel Master program. Learn how to reverse carpal tunnel syndrome without shots, pills, gizmos, or surgery, easily, safely, effectively. Hand problems threatening your livelihood? Your enjoyment of life? Are you scared you'll need surgery? Are scared you'll lose your job? Worried about how you will pay medical expenses? Worried you'll have to give up activities you love? Discover self-help techniques to reverse and even eliminate carpal tunnel and false carpal tunnel syndromes. You no longer have to suffer with the numbness, pain, or hands that wake you up at night. Show and tell videos so that you know exactly what to do and why. Easy hands-free or minimal hands techniques, so you are not using your already overworked hands. Better than stretches. Stretching can be time-consuming and not very efficient. Safe and effective. Just 5 minutes a few times a day, and within a few days you will see your symptoms diminish, without giving up work or hobbies. Soon your hands will be back to normal, without risky invasive procedures. What are you waiting for? Take action now, by clicking the link in the description below.